thank you so much sa lahat ng support. And papasalamat ako dahil nandiyan kayo lagi. And yun lang, mahal na mahal ko kayo. And GT soon!
Hi J-Rounds, happy 6th monthsary. I just want to thank you for all the support and sana tuloy-tuloy lang yung support nyo and see you guys all soon.
Hi J-Ron, just want to say na miss ko na kayo. Sorry, wala ako nung nakarang get together but I promise to make it up to you. Happy monthsary guys, just want to let you know na sobrang special kayo dito sa puso ko. Founder nyo ako, remember? And also, keep the support coming in, lalo na dyan ay nasa ka na kailangan kita at malapit-lapit na rin yung UAAP in a few months. So, support. And also, gusto ko lang batiin si Jeron Teng. I miss you so much. Char!
You know what, I'm not really great at speeches, and thank you for supporting the video and the song. Really means a lot, and they're nice people, so we were like really happy to work with them, and it was a breeze to work with them. And yeah, thanks, and hi to everyone. You guys are nice.